Hello, welcome back to Jnanakashi Academy. In this class, we are going to study about Navodaya Entrance Exam 2025, Arithmetic, third chapter, Factors and Multiplies, including their properties. Based on this topic, we discuss the questions and analysis. This is the only multiplication factors. It means multiply number. We take any number that multiplies. We call as a factors. We solving the sum questions. What are the sum questions are there? How to solve these questions? Explain here. First question is the total number of prime factors of 210 are 210. We multiply of these two numbers and again we get 210, and 2 3 5 7 we called as a prime factors of 210. Prime factors, it means which number is divisible by 1 and itself, that number we call as a prime numbers. How many numbers we multiply? We get 210. 1 2 3 4. These 4 number we multiply with is equal to 210. That correct answer is 4 here. And second question, the product of two number is 800. The product of two number is 8192. If the one number is a twice of another number, then the smaller number is. First, we have to the product of two number. Given answer is like this: one number is twice of another number. Suppose we consider one number is x and another number is 2x. Twice, it means one number is double than another number we call as a twice. Now, how to explanation of this question here? One number is a twice of another number given here. That's why I divided with a 8192 by 2. We get one number is 4096. Now this product of two same numbers are. We take a square root of 4096. We get a 64. How to find out the square root of this number? We must square root number. It means one number is multiple with the same number. We get 1 2 times. That's why I write 1 square. This is a square number and the square root is 1 and the answer is square is 1. For example, 2 multiple with a 2 and I write 2 into 2. How many times are there? 2 is 2 times. That's why 2 raised to 2. 2 is in a 2 times multiplication. That's why I write 2 raised to 2. Suppose 2 I multiple with a 4 times. How to write this one? 2 raised to 4, right? Because 2 is multiple with a 4 times. That's why I write 2 raised to 4. Now we are discussing about square root. 2 into 2 how much? 4. And this is the 4 is a multiplier of the 2. How to find out the, suppose I take this is the square root symbol, square root of 4. This is the square root and the square number is 2. 4 is the square root of 2. That's why we consider. And in this second question, 64 is the square root of 64 square. We get 4096. This is the answer. Square root of 4096 is a 64. The square root of this is a smaller number is 64. Answer is. And third question, the product of 60 are. How to find the product of 60? 60, 2 3 is a 6. 2 3 is a 6. 0 as it is, right? 2 1s are 2. Here 3 is there. I carry right 1 here. Okay, 2 1s are 2. Remaining 1 is a remainder. That's why 1 right. I write 1 here. And how is 1 and 0? This one is a 10. 2 pies are 10. And 3 pies are 15. 3 pies are 15. And 5 1s are 5 1s are 5. And the product of 60, how to find? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, and the product of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. These are the product of 60. Answer is there or not, check here. And 2 into 2 into, okay, this question answer is a D, because of 60 is a multiple with the 1, and 60 also divide with the 2, 60 is also divide with the 3, 60 is also divide with the 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. That's why these all numbers are factors of 60. How to? And this one is 60. I divide with the 1. 60, 66 the 60. We get 0. That's why 1 is multiple with the 6. And 2, 60 divided with the 2. 2 3s are 6. This one is a 0. That's why 2 is also factor of 60. Also 3. 60. 3 2s are 6. And the 0 here. Okay. And 3 is also divides of the 60. That's why 3 is also factor of 60. And that's why these all numbers are divide of 60. That's why these two numbers are factors of 60. And the next question, which of the following is not a factor of 948? What is mean that question? Which number in below following options 4, 8, 79, 158? Which number is not divisible of 948? Which number is not a completely divisible of 948? Okay, and 479, 158 are the factors of 948. 948 divide with the 4. 4 2s are 8, and minus 9 minus 8 1. 4 take a downside. 4 3s are 12, and the remainder is 2. I take a 28 downside. 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. The remainder is 0, and 948 is completely divisible of 4. That's why this 4 is a factor of this number. I check with the 8. 948. 8 1s are 8, and the remainder is 1. Take 4 downside. Again 8 2s are 16. Don't I take to 16 is larger than 14. That's why once again I take a 8 1s are 8. How is the remainder? 14 minus 8, we get 6 remainder. Again I take a 8 downside. 8 how much is 68? 8 8s are 64. Remainder is 4. That's why this number is not a divisible of 8. 948 is not a completely divisible of 8. That's because of remainder we get 4. That's why the correct answer is 8. Which of the following is not a factor? It means 4 is also divisible of 948. 79 is also divisible of 948. 158 also divisible of this number, but 8 is not completely divisible of this number. That's why correct answer is 8. And next one, fifth question, which number is multiple of all three numbers 4, 8, 6? How to find out this question? Which number is multiple of all three factors? This is the we take LCM of 486. LCM of 486 is a 24. The number which is divisible by 24 is a multiple of the given three number is only 696 divisible by 24. First of all, how to find out the LCM? Here 4, 8, and another number is 6. 4 8 6. We have to find the LCM. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Once again, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, and 3 not a divisible of the 2. That's why I write 3 as it is. Again, once again, 2 1s are 2 and 1 as it is right here. 2 1s are 2 and 3 as it is right. Again, I 3 1 as it is right, 1 as it is right, 3 1s are 3. What are the 2 2s are 4? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 3s are 24. This is our LCM, and the 24 is a divisible of which number? 24 is divisible by which number? You check that number 24 is divisible of each number. You check, and which is the correct answer, you point out that one. And 696 is a completely divisible of 24. That's why correct answer is option C. And the next assignment 3.1, first question, the common factor of 12 and 15. What are the common factor of 12 and 15? And the first question is the common factor of 12 and 15. In the following numbers, which is the common factor of 12? 1 is also multiple with the 12 and 15, and 3 is also factor of 15 because of 4 3s are 16. That's why 4 is also a 3 is also a factor of 12, and 3 is also 5 3s are 15. In here 3 also common here, 3 also common here. That's why 3 is a common factor of 12 and 5, and also 1 is also a common factor of 12 and 15. Here 15 is not a common factor of 12. That's why this one is a wrong, and 12 is given here. 12 is not a common factor of 15. That's why this is also a wrong. And here 4 is not a multiple of 15. 15 is not a divisible by 4. That's why this option is also a wrong, and the correct option is 1 comma 3. 1 and 3 are the common factor of 12 and 3. And the next question, look at the following values and find the value of this number. Here 2 into 2 we get 4, but here 2 right. This pattern only we solve the following numbers. And 2 into 2, here 2 given, 1 into 1 1 is given, here minus but plus right here. That's why we also solve like this. And 3 into 3 we get 9, but 3 is only given here, and minus here plus here. And 2 into 2 4, but given what? 2 only, and the 3 plus 2 we get 5. Here also same, here 4 into 4. That's why which number is multiply here? 4. Here multiply by 3, and minus here and plus here. Okay, change the sign here, and here 5 5 right, minus here plus and 4. How to solve here? And you look at these 4 numerical activities. That's only we solve here. 33 into 33, again we get 33, and minus here I plus right here because of minus plus is given. And 72 into 72, 72 only. 73 plus 72, we get answer is 145. And third question is the prime factorization of 32. How to find the prime factorization of 32? 32 I write like this: 2 1s are 2 here, and 3 is here, but in 3 inside 2 we have. Okay, 2 1s are 2 here, remainder 1 is there, and the carry right here. 2 6 are 12, and 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is correct answer is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the prime factorization of 32. Option A correct here. And fourth question is the number of numbers. The number of numbers which are multiplies of both 3 and 5 in the first 100 natural number is. Next is fifth question. What is the square root of sum of a square 12 and 16? What is the question is square root of sum 12 square and 16 square. We do the 12 square, it means 12 square, it means 12 I multiple with it 2 times. 12 into 12, 12 square 144, and 16 square, 16 square, it means 16 multiple with it 2 times. 16 into 16 to 56, and these are the square root of the 144 is the square root of 12 and 256 is the square root of 16. Sum of these two number 144 plus 256, and the answer is 400. 400 is a which number square number? 20. I write 22 times 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 and 1 0 and next 1 0. That's why answer is the 400 is a square number of 20. Answer is option C correct here. And the sixth one, if the square root of the number is 13, then 2 times of that number is, what is the answer? The square root of 13 is 13 into 13. How much? 169. And 2 times of this number. 2 times it means multiple with a 2. And the 18, 13 and 338. And the question is the square root of number is 13. Square root of number how much? 169. And then 2 times it means 169 multiple with 2. We get answer is 338. Option A is the correct here. And seventh one, by which of the following product of prime numbers is, what is the 10 unit, 10, 100 and 1000? This one is a lakh. 2 lakh 55,552, not a divisible. Here what, this one is a correct answer because of in the last unit we have a 2. Last unit is a 2. Unit place which number is there? 2 is there. And here also whole number is completely divisible of 2. That's why this is the correct. What is the question here? Which of the following product of prime number is 2,55,552? Not a divisible. Which one is a not a compatibly suitably this following option? Suppose I check here, and 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is divided with this number 2,55,552 is a divisible of 12. We do the division of these two numbers. Which number is not a completely divisible of given following number? Here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 is a odd number. 12 is a even number. Here unit place we have a 2 and this is also even number. This number is completely divisible of this number. Here 2 3s are 6. 6 11s are 66. 66 is also even number. Here unit place we have also a even number, and this product is also divisible of this number. This is also correct. And third one, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is a even number. In a unit place also we have a even number. These prime factors are completely divisible of this number. Here 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. But we have a 9 is there. 3 into 3 9. 9 is a not a completely divisible of this number because of we have a unit place 2 and the unit place and 10 place we have a 3 here. That's why this number is not a divisible of this number. Correct option is D. And the next question is, which of the following prime factors of 2100? Here I do the prime factorization of 2100. 2 2 ones are 2, and again I write 0 here. 2 5s are 10 and 0 as it is, right. 2 5s are 10. Here exactly divisible of this 1000, that's why I write the 0 here. And the 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, and again one carry here. 2 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4 here, and one carry right here. 2 5s are 1 0 10 here. 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. This number is not a completely divisible of 2 because of we have a unit place 5 is there. That's why I directly divide with the 5. 5 1s are 5 1s are 5. 0 as it is, right. 5 5s are 25 and 5 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Again here 7 7 3s are 21 and 3 3 1s are 3. And the prime factors of 2100, 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 3. Which is the correct here? The option C is correct here. Here 3, I read 3 here. Oh, 3 is 1 times, 7 is 1 times, 5 2 times, and 2 is also 2 times. Option C is the correct here. And the next one is, the smallest 4-digit number when expressed as a product of primes is. 4-digit number when we expressed. Here 5 pies are 25, 25 pies are 25 pies are 125, 125 into 8. 125 into 8, how much? 40. 16 plus 4 also 20. 8 10. Here this is a 4-digit number, that's why this is not a 4. And the given option here, this is also we write in a 4-digit number. This is also 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Yes. And here 8 is also, again we do the prime factorization. How? 5 8 also like this, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. We do the factorization of 8 like this. Directly we cannot multiply with this number. That's why the prime factor, it means everyone number must be divided, and we do the composite into smallest number. That's why 8 can I write like this, 2 into 2 into 2. This is a correct prime product of primes. Here also 4 is right. 4 is also write in a 2 into 2. Here 10, 10, 10 is there. 10 can I write 5 into 2? 10 also can I write with the 5 into 2, and 10 again I write with the 5 into 2. That's why these two numbers are 8 is composite number here and 4 is composite number here, and 10 is 3 tens are also composite number. That's why these are not correct here. We do the smallest 4 digit number when expressed in a product of primes is the correct answer is option C. Okay, this one is a assignment 1 question and answer analysis, and next we have to solve in the next session of remaining questions, and thank you for watching.